front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on display section over here, display and brightness under home screen. When you're ready, scroll again and this time choose refresh rate. Now you can click on default to apply it instantly or tap on custom and pick one of those. After tapping on refresh rate, you will see three options. Apply any by clicking on it and then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!